Today, we've got some hot new leaks about the upcoming Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL that you won't want to miss. That's right, folks. Thanks to a TikTok account, Pixel Unpacking, we're getting an early in-person look at what could be the next big thing from Google. So, let's dive into the details. First up, the design. According to the leaks, the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL are swapping out the Pixel 8's camera visor for a sleek, oval-shaped housing. This change makes the camera protrude from the back of the device. And it gets better. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is noticeably larger than the base Pixel 9, and almost as big as the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Plus, the Pro 40 model seems to sport a 3-camera setup, whereas the base Pixel 9 has just 2. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features glossy sides with a matte black backing. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 has the reverse. Matte sides with a glossy back. Pretty cool, right? But it's not just about looks. The Pixel 9 lineup is expected to come with Google AI that lets you save and search through screenshots effortlessly. And here's a game changer. Rumors suggest Google will replace the under-display fingerprint sensor with a faster, more accurate ultrasonic one. This could fix the issues people had with unlocking their phones. Oh, and did I mention? We might even see a new pink color option. Google is expected to unveil the new Pixel lineup during an earlier-than-usual hardware event on August 13th. Given Google's history, we can probably expect even more leaks before the big day. Stay tuned, tech fans, more updates are on the way. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the future of tech.